Hello everyone. So today is 25th of April and let's discuss what happened today and what we analyzed yesterday and what we are expecting next. So in yesterday's video, as I clearly said that the short covering on the call side was not done by the big players and it was done by the retail traders, and so we will see both the side moves, and I also mentioned the major levels, and yeah, you saw both the side moves, and also in at every dip there was some rally that was coming in. So those were also discussed, and yeah, so and also huge put writing that was done by the big players that were also discussed. So you could see like the put side premium went like almost 30 to 35% down, but the call side premium, they were they are already at a very high premium, and due to these results coming out, so that's why the volatility is coming into the question, and that's why the premiums on the call side are like very high. So yes, so the call side premium were not going down, so that was again another thing, and yes, so basically we were bullish, and that's the thing, and yes, market showed the rally, and yes, so but you see Nifty ending at the next major level, that is 17,070. So let's discuss what we are going to expect next, and these are the major levels, that is 17,720. As you can see, morning it came down and took support there and went up, and then again got some resistance at this level, and again crossed this level, but again finally ends near to this level. So these levels were discussed in all of the videos, earlier videos, so you can go and check. So even if we say that if market is going up, so don't expect that by tomorrow market will be crossing 18,000 and so on, but it's not like that. The FIIs and the big guys, they have successfully created a bullish sentiment into the retail traders, and they would be using that. I'll explain how. So yes, coming to this so this is the today's candle, and the next major resistance for Nifty would be coming at 17,846. Okay, so and even if that crosses, then we have our next level at 17,965. Okay, so this is for Nifty, and coming for Bank Nifty, again Bank Nifty, as you all have seen that 42,547 is one of the major levels here. So Bank Nifty is concentrating there, and if we go to the 1-day chart, so if you see the major levels that they were also discussed yesterday, 43,000 is the next one. So here as from option chain, what we can see is that at higher levels there would be resistance. Okay, so 17,800 call writers are present, okay, and in huge quantity. So things won't be that easy for these two index to just rally and go to 18,000. So but the bullish sentiment that they created yesterday, they would be just using that, the big guys would be just using that. So now yeah, 17,800 would just, even if it goes till 850 as well, 17,850, so it would get resistance. So that is very much expected, but we will also discuss according to the end of the day data. And talking about Bank Nifty also, if you see, so Bank Nifty also like ends almost flat. So why? Because if you just go to the option chain, you will see that at higher levels there has been call writing being done. So 42,900 call writers are active, 42,800 call writers are active. So here you would see that call writers are mostly active there, and also the put writers have come in, but all they have to do is like eat the premium, so and make flat market. Okay, so that said, and now let's come to the indicators. So the indicators in the morning were negative and then went a little up, but again things started coming down. As you can see, the score started coming down. If you look at the graph, it would be much clearer. So the red one is the score. So yeah, so Nifty rallied up, okay, but from this point, as you can see, like here, score went coming down, and I mean Nifty going up. Okay, so this is the time at around 10:33. So then after that you can see the Nifty came down, and again it went up, but the score did not go up here, as you can see, and again Nifty came down, and that's the scenario. And so Nifty ends almost near zero, so almost the score is flat at the end. But Bank Nifty is showing some weakness when it ends there, so at negative 34. But yeah, so even if you look at the graph for Bank Nifty as well, so here the score went almost flat, though Bank Nifty was increasing, but again finally Bank Nifty came down. And yeah, so that's the overall summary. So now FI is again sold today for 407 crores, and advance to decline ratios are almost going at par with each other for the past few days. So it's not like one of them is dominating the other. Okay, and yeah, I mean overall the advances are dominating, but you see almost they are flat. Yes, now US markets are coming down, but let's see if this is the condition, then we might be in trouble. The put writers at 17,800 and the above would be in trouble. Okay, so then we can again it would be a nice opportunity for the call buyers. So coming to the analysis today, as you can see, I mean you can pause the video and read the analysis. So this is the same Telegram channel. I mean yesterday you saw, so these analysis. Okay, so yeah, so even you can pause the video and read the analysis. We went long first, and at the very beginning I told that the first move would be down to save the call writers, and it came down. And then after that even I discussed in the video that go long. And now even the first down move that was coming here, that is 11:52, I clearly said that now can hit the bulls before again the final up move. Okay, so yeah, just before the fall, which no one was expecting, everyone was expecting 17,800, 17,900. There we said that like no, now the bulls would be hit. Okay, so yes, and the bulls were like very badly hit for the first time during that day there. So if you can go and check 11:52 here, so this is 11:40, so this is 11:45:50. Yeah, so this is the candle where I said that bulls could be hit, and you saw that after that you see I mean Nifty came down to almost this is Bank Nifty came down, and also if you just go and check, the same thing happened for Nifty as well. So this is here 11:45, 11:50, this is the candle. Okay, after that Nifty also came down here. So that said, yes, at the higher levels we would be getting resistance there. And now let's come to our EOD data analysis. So EOD data analysis is saying that no further call futures long have been done. But yes, the futures long somewhat has been closed, but yeah, still it's there. The majority of the positions are still there, but nice amount of futures short positions have been closed. So that's a little concerning for the futures. The futures are looking a little bullish for now, but if we look at the option index, so option index call writing and put writing positions are almost their values are equal, so the quantities are almost equal. So but put writing is a little bit more. Okay, but so we have to check the fresh positions that are getting built tomorrow. Is it on the put side or on the call side, that we have to identify. Okay, rest assured, like if this is the condition, so for the prop decks also they are overall bullish. As you can see, they have huge put writing positions, but they also have a decent amount of call writing positions. So things are going to go sideways for now, and both the sides will be hit. So don't expect a huge rally like till 18,000. So don't be very bullish. So be bullish as well as bearish, and yeah. So at the higher levels, when it goes, I'll go into bearish mode, and at lower levels I'll go into bullish mode. Okay, so what do I mean by higher levels and lower levels? Like 17,800 to 17,850. Those levels would be higher levels for me, and lower levels would be like 70,700, near to 70,700. Okay, so that's it. And yeah, so call buying positions also have been closed in a decent amount, and also the put writing positions also have been closed. For those positions, the put buying positions have also been closed. So overall market is looking very volatile, and both the sides move can be expected. And for Bank Nifty also, if we want to discuss the higher level and the lower level, so that would be 42,500 would be the lower levels. So 42,500 to 600 would be the lower levels, and the high levels would be like 42,800 and above. Okay, so yeah, so again, as today, expect high volatility, and before this monthly expiry, things could be tricky. So be safe if you if you want to take safe trades. So go a little far out of the money, or on both the sides you can go for call writing positions and sit and eat the premium. But for option buyers, you have to figure out these moves, like when the bulls are going to get hit and when we are expecting some up move. So you have to identify these, and according to the levels you have to go. So that said, I think I've discussed everything. So if my analysis is helping you, so please don't forget to put a like. So thanks for watching. Keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.